Hey everyone, you're watching Flutterwithalan, and today we are discussing about Dart fundamentals. In the previous lecture video, we'll discuss about while loops in Dart. In this video, we just go through what are switch statements in Dart. Okay, so why we use the switch statements? Before we learned about if-else conditions. Okay, in if-else conditions, we write our code, for example, a voting system. Okay, a voting system protocol, there above an 18, we have to be vote or below in 18 we have not to vote. Okay, these are the conditions are more congested in a programming, okay, in for project building, etc and etc. Okay, so the major use of switch statements in Dart is we have to write our code in a formatted way. Okay, very simpler to read. The code readability is one of the most and important thing in switch statements. Okay, so moving on, firstly we have to write our code by using the void main function. Okay, so then I will be also declare one more function at here, void. I will be given a name function. Inside of the function I define an data type like integer type, so I'll be use int and put a variable name as n at here. Open the curly braces at here. Okay, so in switch statement, firstly we have to write the switch keyword inside of the function in this code. So I'll be writing switch. Then by using this parenthesis, inside of this parenthesis we have to also define this variable name above we have given at here. So I'll be given n at here and open the curly braces at here. Okay, so in switch statement I like to define our switch statement by using different types of cases. So I'll be firstly write case 1. Okay, case 1. In here we are considering an example of a weekdays like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc. When we are clicking or when we are write 1 in our code till the end, we get Monday as output. Okay, so I'll be, and we have to write a full colon at here. Okay, then next we have to write a return at here. Without we using the function, we have write at here a print function. By using the function, we have to write our code by printing by using the return. Okay, that's well because we using return at here. And I will be writing in double quote marks Monday. Okay, perfect. And the next case, why this error will found? Because I have given at here a void. This have to be changed to the string data type. So the error will fix at here. This error will fix in last we have. Okay, so I'll be defining another case at here. Case 2, put a full colon, then return Tuesday at here. Okay, and I'll be defining the next case is return Wednesday. Okay, then case 4, return Thursday. Okay, and one more we have to write a case 5, then return Friday. Okay, perfect. Till the end of the switch cases, we have to also write or also define a default statement, a default condition. So I'll be write a default at here. Okay, and we have to write a returned value is record not found. By without these are the values are not are actually entered as a user, then the value is shown as record not found. Okay, perfect. So moving on to our printing section, first we have to, these are the integer types of values, isn't it? So I will be defining an int data type at here by using the variable name as n. So I'll be given n is equal to, I'll given a value as 100. Put the end of the line a semicolon. And by using the print function, I defined our function by using a function at here. So I'll be using this function at here. Then by using the variable name, I also write by using in a braces or parenthesis, I also define n at here. Put the end of the line as semicolon. Okay, perfect. This is the actual code of our switch statement. And I'll run my code here. Yeah, record not found. Why? Because we have only entered the elements as 1 to 5, isn't it? That's well because we have get an output as record not found. And I'll be given a value as 1 at here. The debug console will show Monday. Okay, Monday. And I'll be one more value I'll be shown at here, case 3. Okay, so I'll be given 3 at here. Run my code. Wednesday. Perfect. Okay. If you have any doubt about switch statement or any other previous video in our Dart fundamentals, please feel free to ask in our chat box. Okay, or our comment section. So see you on next video. Keep coding, take care, and bye.